In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download multiple file attachments in Gmail with just one click. This is a super handy skill to have, especially when you're dealing with a lot of attachments and need to save time. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open up your Gmail account. Go ahead and log in if you haven't already, and once you're in, navigate to the email containing the attachments you want to download. Once you have the email open, you should see the attachments displayed neatly at the bottom of the email header. This is where all the magic will happen. Now, rather than downloading each file one at a time, which can be quite tedious, there's a much more efficient way to achieve this. Look closely at the attachments. You'll notice an option that says, Download all attachments. You might see it in the form of a downward arrow or a similar icon, often found near the attachments themselves. Clicking this option will initiate the download process for all the files attached in the selected email. This might seem simple, but it's a great productivity tip that can save you a surprising amount of time, especially if you frequently receive emails with multiple attachments. Once you've clicked on Download All Attachments, your browser will start downloading a compressed zip file containing all the attachments from that email. If you're on a computer, locate the downloaded zip file. This file needs to be extracted from the zip format so you can use each attachment individually. Most operating systems, like Windows and Mac OS, have built-in tools to extract zip files. Simply right-click the file and select Extract or Unzip, depending on what options appear. When you extract the zip file, a new folder will be created containing all of the individual attachments ready for you to use. If you're unsure of where the extracted files are, they're usually placed in the same location as the zip file, which is typically your default download folder. Remember, this method is highly beneficial when working with multiple attachments, and it helps keep all the files organized in one neat folder. Plus, it reduces the chance of accidentally missing or excluding an important file during a manual download process. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and organized multiple attachments from a single email with just one click. It's an efficient process that can help streamline your workflow, making managing email communications a breeze. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more tips and tricks like this one, and feel free to reach out with any questions or comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.